introducing Sufi. Sufi is Abasi. He's with AirWatch Bay Area, and he's going to describe how the information generated by the BCAMP air monitoring systems will be interested or integrated into their projects. So, welcome, Sufi. Can you give us a brief description of AirWatch Bay Area and how it benefits the community in general?
Absolutely. Thank you so much for having me, and it's an honor to be here. AirWatch Bay Area started development in 2015 and launched in 2017, and it's run by Professor Gwen Ottinger through the nonprofit FairTech Collective, and we work with air quality activists and warriors like Kathy and Constance to help build tools to make air quality data available and prescient through our websites and other projects like that. And I wanted to share my screen just to kind of get into more of the features of AirWatch Bay Area and an adjacent project called Smell My City. So AirWatch Bay Area is twofold. The first is we pull data from fence line refineries and in Richmond and Benicia, Crockett, Rodeo, and Martinez. And we also pull appropriate air community monitors in Benicia and Vallejo to kind of aggregate data across the many different places where data is available. And the second is we present user reports of people just making reports about what the quality of the air is, what they're smelling, what health effects that they're experiencing. And this is powered through the Smell My City app run by the Carnegie Mellon Create Lab.
Okay, so this app is available for people to download now?
Absolutely. You can visit smellmycity.org, and you can download the app through these buttons here from your mobile phone. And what's amazing about Smell My City is it gives you an opportunity to submit smell reports as you're experiencing incidents that are happening right now. And it kind of tells you where those incidents happen, as people are reporting. And it also lets you submit health symptoms that you're experiencing in the moment. And then finally, you'll be able to view other reports that are happening in your area. And a future update in the works right now, we're kind of trying to get push notifications to you when, let's say, there are like many reports happening or there's like some sort of air quality incident. So again, you can download the app by searching Smell My City on the App Store. Oh, my filter is not showing you. And then you can sign up, or you can actually just immediately start using the app. You just put a little sign in there, and then you can start using it today.
And I was just quickly, I've been coached by my very good friend Dr. Ottinger many times that I'm supposed to promote the AirWatch Bay Area program and tell people to sign up at least 10 times in this webinar itself. So I'm behind on this, and I will be doing these plugs. Otherwise, I don't want her to get mad at me. So back to our webinar. Brief intermission there. What have you found with the Smell My City app already, Sufi, that might be of interest to the community people here?
Yeah, there are a lot of reports coming in from Vallejo and Benicia. And I think what's really powerful about Smell My City and data from AirWatch Bay and like all the different kind of data sources is that it gives you an opportunity to give some context to what's happening. So it kind of gives you a chance to say, what are you experiencing right now while all these, air quality incidents are happening, and all the data that's out there to kind of see what's happening from the sensors. It kind of gives it a chance to annotate the data with lived experience, which is, I think, a very powerful feature of these two kind of platforms working in tandem.
And I guess, and then finally, I mean, what is it that the people on this webinar can do to kind of help you guys grow this really amazing program?
Absolutely. I think one of, as someone who kind of works with data every day, I really want to be able to get your data. I want to be able to, analyze your data, figure out, okay, what was the data like this week? And what was it like last week? What was it like last month? And kind of do an interesting comparison of, what is that data telling us? Through computers and, data analytics and all that stuff. And I really want to thank BCAMP for how easy it was for us to get the data. We worked with Don and Mark to get direct access to the data. We were able to pull it into our system very easily. So unlike unfortunately, the other data that we tried to get from other other places, it's very hard to get that data. And if there are any like air quality operators, on the call right now, I really would make an appeal. Like, please give us an API to get your data, and we would love to work with it. So I just want to say thank you again for working with us and getting your data available for us to use and make good things out of.